your girl Tiff, and today I have another makeup tutorial, kind of following my last video, but this one's just a bold fall look. The other one was more of like a natural everyday, but obviously this one, I mean, you can wear this one every day, but it's more for like a night out or a date night. So if you want to learn how I achieved this look, go ahead and keep watching my video. First, we're going to start by priming our eyes. I'm using the eyeshadow primer potion, and I'm just going to blend that all over. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Morphe brush palette 35D. These colors are very fall-y, very dark, and it's great for fall. So first, I'm going to start using this like mauve brown, and this is going to be the base for our eyeshadow. So I'm just going to say right now, this look is going to take a lot of blending. For this mauve brown, we're going to set it in our crease and right below our brow bone. And we're going to keep blending until it's nice and smooth and even. So next, I'm going to use this dark brown, and I'm just going to focus on putting it in the crease. For my brush, I'm going to use a tapered eyeshadow brush or a stiff blending brush, just to make sure that I can blend this out. The key for this is to use small amounts and build up the color gradually for like a seamless blend. After, I'm going to go back with my blending brush that I used for the base and blend out the dark brown into the mauve brown. So now it's time to work in the black eyeshadow into this look, and this is a very opaque color, so please work in small amounts because adding a lot at once is going to stress you out. So small amounts is key, and then we're gonna lightly work it into our crease and just keep blending. So now we're going to get the blending brush to blend the black into the dark brown and add a light touch of the base color to get a nice finish. For the cut crease, I'm using the primer we used earlier, and my trick is to apply it on my eyelid and look up. This creates a little guide for you, and it shows you how high to go with the concealer. My eyelid is very, very small, so everything kind of disappears for me, and doing this just shows me where the cut crease will be more visible and more appealing for my eye. Cut creases take a lot of practice, but just have patience, you got this. What you kind of want to just focus on is having a sharp line up top, and make sure you blend out the corners as I am right there towards the black, so you don't have this very choppy line. To set the cut crease, I'm going in with a light shimmer brown on the inner corners of my eyelid, and then I'm going to blend in a golden shimmer brown towards the end of the cut crease, and then blend the black and the dark brown if you need to for a seamless finish. For liner, I'm using the classic felt tip liner by Ulta Beauty, and we're just creating a wing liner. If I'm being honest, I hate this liner so much. It works good at first, but like midway through your liner, the ink won't come out, so that was very irritating. For the waterline, I'm using the Nudestix black eyeliner, then I'm adding a black shadow in my lower lid and blending that out with the mauve brown we used for our base. Now for the face makeup, I'm using the Pro Foundation palette, and I use like 3 colors in this palette to create my own foundation color. But if you guys didn't see my last video, the reason I'm using this is because the last 2 foundations that I have in my drawer right now, they're just too light. I got too tan this summer and they were just not my color. So this is me improvising using you know, my clients' foundations that I use. This is what I use for them. So this is me using it on myself, and I actually really like it. I've never really tried it on myself, so this was a great experiment. For concealer, I'm using the Nars medium ginger concealer, and I'm applying that on, you know, my eye bags, my forehead, my nose, and my chin, and I'm just blending that out. For contour, I'm using the Hollywood contour wand, and I love this product. It blends so nicely. Like, look at that. It just disappeared. Not all the way, but it just blended very well. So yeah, I like to work in sections. I'm doing my cheekbones, my temples, my nose, and in my jawline. Now I'm going to set in my concealer and anywhere where I have fine lines. I'm just using the e.l.f. HD powder, and surprisingly this has been working amazing. So 10 out of 10 for that. For a highlighter, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dripping in Gold Cream Highlighter, and I'm just applying that on the tops of my cheekbone and on the top of my nose. For blush, I'm going in with one of my favorite fall blushes, You Had Me at Merlot, and we're just applying that on our cheeks and a tad bit on our nose. Now with the same e.l.f. HD powder, I'm just using a bigger brush to set the rest of my face. We're gonna get ready for lashes now, so I'm just curling my lashes because my lashes are naturally straight and I want them to be curled up to blend in with the lashes. For mascara, I'm using the Bad Gal Bang mascara, and I'm just applying that just a little bit just so they can have some color in them for the lashes. Now I'm applying that black Nudestix liner to my top waterline just to have everything nice and clean for my lashes. Alright, for the lashes, I'm using Wispy Lashes by Ardel, and these are the most natural lashes I have besides my clusters. But yeah, I think these were perfect for this look. They're not too crazy, bold, and exaggerating, but they're not too boring and natural. They're like right in the middle, so I love these so much. I use these for everything. Finally, for lipstick, I'm using lip liner Mahogany and lipstick Antique Velvet, and Mahogany has been with me for years. This was my very first makeup purchase when I just started getting into makeup. I was like, let me go to the MAC store and get me something like for my lips. I got Mahogany and Taupe together as a blend, and it was beautiful, and I still use it to this day. So for some finishing touches, I like to add eyeliner on top of my lashes just to blend that in, and then mascara for my bottom lashes. Alright guys, so that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It's very fun. It's very, what the hell is her name from Victorious? Jade. I feel like Jade. Like, this is my vibe right now. I don't know what I'm about to go do, but I need to go do something because this look is not going to go to waste. So this is for more of my bold girlies that just want to go all out all day every day, or for a date night, a night out. This is for you. And for my natural girlies, I didn't forget about you. I actually made a video last week on a natural fall autumn look for every day or for your night out if that's too much. Yeah, so go ahead and check that video out. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherrebeautique. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.